Picture this: tools that make your work faster, easier, and more precise no matter where you are. Today we're checking out the SkillSaw portable drive table, perfect for woodworking on the go, the Metabo HPT rebar bender and cutter, built for construction tasks, and more. Whether you're tackling big projects or everyday jobs, these tools are designed to step up your game. You'll find all the links in the description, so take a look after the video. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more great tool reviews. Let's get started. Are you a woodworker searching for professional-grade precision in a portable package? The SkillSaw portable drive table claims to balance mobility and performance. The SkillSaw portable drive table is built for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who need power on the go. Equipped with a worm drive gear system, it delivers impressive torque and precision for smooth cuts through tough materials like hardwood. The extendable table supports larger materials, offering versatility for various projects. Despite its portability, the smaller workspace might feel restrictive for handling oversized pieces. Users might need additional support for long or wide materials. Its lightweight design ensures easy transport, making it a practical choice for those frequently moving between job sites or workshops. Whether you're crafting furniture or managing on-site projects, this table saw promises efficiency and precision, though its workspace limitations may require creative adjustments. Would you prioritize portability over a larger workspace for your woodworking needs? Let us know in the comments below. Have you ever wished you could bend and cut rebar with one tool while keeping things lightweight and portable? The Metabo HPT rebar bender and cutter offers just that. But is it enough for heavy-duty tasks? This tool is designed to handle up to number 5 grade 60 rebar, offering clean cuts and precise bends in a single machine. The electric motor ensures consistent performance, while the compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport to job sites. The ergonomic handle minimizes user fatigue, even during extended use. However, while it's efficient for small to medium projects, it might not be the best choice for extremely thick or industrial-grade rebar. Its performance is reliable within its limitations, making it ideal for routine construction tasks. Do you prefer a lightweight, portable rebar tool, or would you sacrifice mobility for industrial-grade power? Let us know your preference in the comments. How much time do you lose sharpening chainsaw blades during your projects? The Oregon self-sharpening electric chainsaw offers a quick solution to keep you cutting without interruption. This chainsaw features an 18-inch bar powered by a 15-amp motor, making it capable of handling residential and light commercial tasks. Its standout feature, the integrated PowerSharp system, allows you to sharpen the chain directly on the tool in just seconds. This reduces downtime significantly, especially for those tackling larger jobs. The corded design provides consistent power without the need for gas or batteries, but it does limit mobility. For users working in areas with accessible power outlets, this chainsaw combines convenience and performance. However, for remote locations the cord may feel restrictive. Would you trade mobility for a self-sharpening feature? Let us know in the comments below. Do you often find yourself double-checking measurements before making cuts? The Recon M1 caliber measuring tool aims to eliminate that hassle by combining measuring and cutting into one seamless process. This innovative tool attaches to your miter saw, allowing you to measure and cut simultaneously. It's compatible with a wide range of saws and works on both flat and round materials, making it versatile for different types of projects. By reducing the need to measure and mark manually, it saves time and minimizes errors, especially in repetitive tasks. While its precision and efficiency are impressive, the tool may not fit all miter saw models perfectly, so compatibility should be checked before purchase. For professionals or hobbyists looking to streamline their workflow, this tool is a game changer. Would you invest in a tool like this to improve precision, or stick with traditional methods? Tell us in the comments. Between a self-sharpening chainsaw and a measuring tool that speeds up your cuts, which one solves your biggest project challenges? Let us know your answer below. How many times have you struggled to keep things straight while hanging pictures or installing shelves? The Eiktri multi-purpose laser level promises to make alignment easy and accurate. This compact tool projects horizontal and vertical laser lines, making it ideal for tasks like picture-hanging tiling and light carpentry. It includes an 8-foot or 2.5-meter metric ruler for quick measurements and multiple mounting options for added versatility. The lightweight design ensures easy handling even for extended periods. While effective for small to medium projects, the laser's range may not be sufficient for larger-scale construction jobs. Additionally, ensuring stable placement is key to maintaining accuracy. For DIY enthusiasts, this tool offers a significant upgrade in precision and ease of use. Would you use a laser level like this to simplify your DIY projects, or do you prefer traditional tools? Let us know in the comments. Do uneven cabinet handles bother you as much as they do us? The Craig Kai-Pull cabinet hardware jig promises perfectly aligned holes every time. This tool is specifically designed for drilling straight and evenly spaced holes in cabinets, making it a must-have for kitchen and furniture upgrades. Its adjustable guides cater to various handle sizes, ensuring versatility. The jig's durable construction ensures consistent performance, even with repeated use. While it excels in cabinetry work, it's not suitable for general-purpose drilling tasks, which might limit its use for some users. For those focused on home improvement and cabinetry projects, this tool is a reliable addition to your toolkit. Would you invest in a dedicated tool for cabinetry, or stick with multi-purpose solutions? Share your thoughts below. From the precision of a laser level to the perfection of a cabinet hardware jig, which tool do you think would make your projects easier? Let us know in the comments. What happens when you combine the power of a chainsaw with the precision of a saw? The Skillsaw Sasquatch Carpentry Chainsaw promises to bridge that gap. Let's see if it works. This 16-inch worm drive chainsaw is designed for heavy-duty carpentry tasks, delivering high torque and clean cuts in thick materials like beams and logs. Its lightweight design makes it easier to control than traditional chainsaws, enhancing accuracy in demanding applications. The corded design ensures consistent power but limits portability, making it better suited for workshop or site-specific tasks rather than remote locations. For carpenters who value precision and power, this tool stands out. Do you think combining precision and raw power in a chainsaw is a winning idea? Let us know in the comments. Have you ever wanted to texture walls or ceilings without the hassle of inconsistent results? The Marshalltown Sharpshooter Hopper Gun promises precision and ease for texturing tasks. Let's see if it lives up to the promise. The Marshalltown Sharpshooter Hopper Gun is designed for professionals and DIYers who need a reliable tool for applying drywall texture, stucco, or similar materials. It features a 2-gallon hopper, reducing the need for frequent refills during larger projects. The soft grip trigger ensures comfort during extended use, while the adjustable nozzle allows for different spray patterns. Its durable build and angled adapter make it versatile for ceilings and walls. However, for smaller projects or beginners, the size and setup might feel overwhelming. It's best suited for larger-scale tasks or users familiar with spray texturing. Would you tackle wall texturing yourself with this tool or leave it to the pros? Let us know in the comments. What if your welding machine could fit in one hand without compromising power? The Guoji handheld welding machine offers portability and functionality, but does it meet expectations? This compact RC welder operates on 110V and provides up to 130 amps, making it suitable for small-scale welding tasks like repairs, hobby projects, or light construction. Its IGBT inverter technology ensures efficient and precise welding, while the digital display allows for easy monitoring and adjustments. The lightweight design and included tool set make it highly portable, but it's not intended for heavy-duty industrial-grade applications. For occasional users or those working on smaller projects, it's a convenient and reliable option. Would you sacrifice industrial-grade power for the portability this welder offers? Let us know in the comments. Detailing your car or restoring surfaces can be tedious. The SPTA cordless mini polisher promises to make polishing and sanding effortless. But is it effective for all tasks? This 12V cordless polisher is designed for compact, precise work like car detailing, small furniture restoration, or polishing metal surfaces. It comes with multiple polishing and wool pads, providing versatility for different surfaces and finishes. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, especially in tight spaces or for extended use. However, its size makes it more suitable for detailing and small areas rather than larger surfaces like entire car exteriors. For users focusing on precision and mobility, this polisher is a handy addition to their toolkit. Do you value precision over speed in a polisher, or do you prefer larger machines for big jobs? Share your perspective in the comments. That's the lineup for today. We looked at the Oregon self-sharpening chainsaw, great for saving time on big jobs, the Recon M1 caliber measuring tool, which combines cutting and measuring seamlessly, and the Guoji handheld welding machine, ideal for portable welding tasks. Which one stood out to you the most? Let me know in the comments. All the links are in the description if you want to explore these tools further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.